Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We are back at it. Another Monday ahead of us. Definitely now it's the end of summer. We got Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. I'll have the link down below. We're going to take a look at what other goodies they have to offer. And take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. So let's go take a look what they sent us today, and then I'll be out of you guys' way. Might have a few more videos. I just gotta wait on a few. Got gloves because I saw a little leakage and stuff, so I might start wearing gloves in the videos just to be safe, because I never know what's gonna come in. Oh boy. Yeah, I want to be safe. Rather be safe. Alright, what do we got here? Whoops. Remove my pen. Let me grab this. Alrighty. What do we got here? Empty. Wait, what is this? Shrooms? Oh, mushrooms. Not the other mushrooms, but cooking mushrooms we have, guys. Look at this. This is coming from Giorgio, Papa Giorgio, from the family vacation. America's favorite Giorgio mushrooms. Got a 12-pack. Let's see. 2, 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. So you get a 12-pack of Giorgio, grown in America, gluten-free, low fat. Oh, excuse me. Alrighty, so there they are. Let's take a look at the can, what they look like. Yep. Definitely not in the mood to eat some mushrooms right now, but you never know when you want a microdose. Oh yeah, pieces and stems. So that's what they look like, these little guys. Alright, pretty cool. YouTubers, check them out. Link will be down below if you guys need some mushrooms. There you go. Alright, be safe.